Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we create likes filter. Now we open lib, constants, then we add interests, then we open screens, likes, and we create likes filter info. .art. Then we create class, write class likes filter info extends, status widget. Then we add method build, add constructor, convert status widget to stateful widget. Then we write return, add widget container, and we open likes screen. And we add gesture detector right on top, and we write show model bottom sheet, write return, add likes filter info, add const, then we open likes filter info, write height, write media query, dot of context size, height, write 0.9, then we write decoration, add box decoration, write border radius, write border radius circular, write 3D, write color, write colors dot white, and then we add parameter alignment, dot center, hot restart, and we open like screen, and we use parameter is scroll controlled, write true, then we write child, write column, then we add children, and we add title likes filter and icon close, show model bottom sheet, add information, and we add widget padding, write symmetric, write horizontal, write 15, then we add widget column, add sized box, add height 15, save, and now we add variables, Save. And now we add maximum distance. And now we add custom track shape. Save. Then we add age range. And now we add divider. Add age range. And now we add range slider track shape. And we write divider. And now we add minimum number of photos. Save. Next we add interests. Add divider. Add information. And we add identity confirmed. Then we add there is information about yourself. Add divider. This information we can download to description in the video. And now we add buttons clear and apply. Hot restart. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.